At least he's laughing.
So far, so good. Where'd your hand go? Do you want your hands out? Where's your hand? Do you want me to take your book? Or do you want the sucker? Mommy's going to take the book. Okay, ready? Is that an airplane? Does it sound like a plane? Ready? The airplane's going to go on your head? Here, put your hand up. Let me see your hand. Put your hand out like this. See? It tickles. It tickles. She's just going to tickle your hair. Ready, Freddie? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle.
No, not yet.
Not yet, sweetie. Tickle, tickle. Good job. Say yay. Tickle, tickle. You want to eat your sucker? Almost done. Almost done.
No.
No.
Not yet.
Look at book. Great job. Is it tickly? Yummy. Good job, buddy.
Yeah, you can take a nap now.
Yeah. I always take a nap when it blow dry in my hair and be like, because it's so warm. Are you watching her in the mirror? Good job. That's a good look. Yeah.
Keep going short. Just keep going short. No.
Let's get scissors out for you. Ready? Snip, snip.
You're used to that.
Mm-hmm. That tickles. On the top because I think you're going to see every scissor mark of that. Snip, snip.
Wait.
Oh. Do you see him getting his hair cut over there? Yeah? Looks like a chocolate sucker you got. That's going to be like a half hour. Okay, thank you.
He's silent after this.
Just gonna go and throw this in my car.
Okay. You're next, though.
Okay.
Give me a couple seconds, 10 minutes.
Right here.
You're being so good, buddy.
Yeah.
Way better than what I thought.
Mm-hmm.
I thought I was going to cry the whole time.
Yeah,
glad
you
he's
know,
not.
prepared for the worst.
Yeah. I think the sucker helped.
Mm-hmm.
See yourself in the mirror? Hmm? Can you see cheese? No?
Cheese is ready.
Cheese is ready.
Nope, not yet. You gotta keep that on.
Look at Aiden. Look at.
It's your hair.
Do you got hair down there? Say dirty. Dirty. Oh.
So sticky.
Oh no. Did it stick to your hand? Ooh. That'll be yummy.
Good protein.
Fiber, rather. Is this fun, buddy? Is it fun? Pretty fun. No, not yet. You're almost done.
Oh, almost done, sweetie. Almost done. All we gotta do is trim around the ears after we do this, and then we'll be all done, okay? Good job.
Yeah, you're doing a great job. Grandma's gonna be so proud. Mommy got your hair cut by somebody other than me.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Daddy, Jim.
Find the brand new Honda of your dreams for under $200 a month. Only at Williams Honda, right next to the Grand.
You look spiffy, buddy.
New Honda now. Or see us.
She's like, I think I got hair in my mouth.
Y'all done with that? Yeah, y'all done?
I'm gonna eat the hairy sucker. No, you're almost done.
See, he looks good with his hair shorter.
But I like it long too.
I knew it was gonna look better with his hair shorter.
Oh, so cute. They
You're
look older.
beefy. Not even 2 yet.
Oh, boy.
He's gonna be big.
That's fine.
Play sports.
Dad's got your whole life.
No.
Do anything you want, but you gotta play sports.
Exactly.
Air! That's the fun part, huh?
Okay, all you gotta do is trim around the ears and your neck and you're all done. Okay?
Tickle. She's gonna tickle you.
Can we tickle you again? Airplane.
Woo! Tickle, tickle. Can you hold real still, buddy? Ooh, good job.
Okay, look in the mirror. Daddy, can you hold his head maybe? Yeah, it might be. Good.
Tickle, tickle. Oh, perfect. Big boy.
And we'll do the back. Daddy, hold his head.
Can you see yourself way over there?
He tickles.
Higher on this side. Okay, I gotta go around the ear, Dad. Hold on. Hey, can you look down at his shoes?
And look.
Shoes.
Look at
his shoes.
Look at that.
His shoes. I want your shoes. Look. And look.